Welcome back to Motor Hub 1003, your home for all things automotive, from classics to the bleeding edge. Today, the Ferrari world is buzzing again with fresh spy photos of what is widely believed to be the replacement for the legendary Enzo and its successor, the F70. And this time, it's wearing a full prototype body, teasing what could be the next chapter in Ferrari's hypercar legacy. For Ferrari fans, the Enzo and F70 aren't just cars, they're icons that set the bar for performance, design, and exclusivity. Now, seeing the next-generation prototype on the road is like witnessing history in the making. With aggressive new styling and next-level aerodynamics hidden beneath camo, this isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in Ferrari hypercars. Details are still tightly under wraps, but the prototype's sharp. Futuristic lines hint at a car designed for the track and road alike. Rumors suggest an advanced hybrid powertrain, a blend of Ferrari's V12 heritage combined with cutting-edge electric tech for insane power and instant torque. Early reports say Ferrari is aiming to beat everything they've done before, combining blistering speed with hybrid efficiency and unparalleled driving dynamics. The spy shots show a radically different silhouette from the F70 with sleeker bodywork and aggressive airflow management features that scream performance. Expect innovative materials and lightweight construction to keep the car razor sharp on corners and lightning fast on straights. Inside, while details remain secret, Ferrari's obsession with driver-focused cockpits and luxury touches is sure to continue. This will be a hypercar that balances brutal performance with unmistakable Italian craftsmanship. The Enzo and F70 are more than just cars. They're benchmarks in automotive history. A new hypercar to replace them carries enormous expectations. It's Ferrari's chance to push technology, design, and performance into a new era while honoring their legacy. For collectors, enthusiasts, and dreamers alike, this upcoming model could be the ultimate prize. A modern masterpiece bridging past and future. As we follow these spy sightings on Motor Hub 1003, it's clear the next Ferrari hypercar will be a game-changer. Will it live up to the Enzo and F70's legendary status? Will it set new records and redefine what a hypercar can be? One thing's for sure, when Ferrari makes history, the world listens. Stay tuned with Motor Hub 1003 for the latest updates on this groundbreaking Ferrari prototype and much more. Drop your thoughts below. What do you hope to see in the F70 replacement? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the hottest automotive news and deep dives.